Hello everybody! Welcome to Class in the Cloud, Phonics with Teacher Simmy. Did you know there are 26 letters in the alphabet? Let's learn about one now. Here comes E. E is the fifth letter in the alphabet. E is a vowel. Let's learn the letter E sound. E goes eh. Now you. This is a capital E. This is a lowercase e. Let's learn to write the capital E. E. Let's learn to write the lowercase e. E. Let's learn some E words now. E is for elephant. Elephant. E is for elf. Elf. E is for egg. Egg. Let's read a story. Can you find all the F words? The elephant and the elf help the hen to find her eggs. Now you. Let's recap what we learned. Say the words. Elephant. Elf. Eggs. The elephant and the elf help the hen to find her eggs.
Well done, everyone. Good job. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this video. This is Class in the Cloud. I am Teacher Simmy. Goodbye.